Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a slow, carefully look at something that's been catching attention in the budget smartphone space, the Runmefit Racer 4. This is a watch designed for runners, for people who love to move, but also for anyone who wants to keep their fitness goals visible right on their wrist without spending a fortune. In this review, we'll walk step by step through the unboxing, design, features, performance and everyday experience. Right from the start, the presentation it's clean and minimal. The box looks like a square shape with a simple branding, and the Racer 4 smartwatch it's printed neatly on the front. As we open it up, the watch greets us right on the top, protected by a thin film. It's the alpine green version here, which looks surprisingly premium. Underneath the watch, you will find a soft liquid silicone strap, a magnetic charging cable, compact and practical, and a quick start guide, short, simple and easy to understand. Note that depending on the different promotion through the year, you can also may get some free stuff, which I find it quite cool. However, with my promo code added at the checkout, you can also save a bit, which can actually save a lot. The first thing I noticed when I pick up the Razer 4 is how lightweight it feels. At just about 31 grams without the strap, it almost disappears on your wrist. The strap is made from a soft liquid silicone, flexible, comfortable and ready for those long running sessions. The body itself is made from high strength plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, but it's clearly built with practically in mind, light enough for fitness, durable enough for everyday use. There's a single crown on the side which is very sensitive for navigation of course, along with two other buttons. Also a speaker grill on the left side, since you can receive Bluetooth calls, and the back hosts the heart rate and SpO2 sensors. Once you power it up, the 1.43-inch AMOLED display immediately stands out sharp, bright and vibrant. It's rated for up to 1000 nits of peak brightness, which means even outdoors under the sun it stays legible. The AMOLED panel is easily the highlight here, which comes with a rich contrast, deep blacks and smooth motion when swiping through the menu. With a 466 by 466 pixel resolution, the icons and text are crisp. You can customize the watch face from the companion app or switch directly on the watch between digital, analog, and animated styles depending on your mood. Navigating the interface feels fluid. A swipe from the top gives you the quick settings. Also a swipe from the left, your widgets and activity rings. Swiping from the right, access to the weather, calendar, sleep, and so on. Also, from the bottom you'll receive the notification, which you'll get this with the help of the smartwatch. Everything feels snappy for a fitness-focused smartwatch in this price range. It's not trying to be a smartwatch like an Apple Watch, it's trying to be a dependable fitness tool with just enough smarts to make your life easier. Of course, a watch called the Racer 4, it's all about fitness. You can get continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep monitoring, stress tracking, and activity reminders. During my time using it, I found the sensors fairly responsive. It quickly detects when your heart rate changes and show live readings right on the main screen. The sleep tracking function breaks down light, deep, and REM cycles Thought like many watches in this category, it can sometimes misread moments of stillness as light sleep. The standout feature though is the 100 plus sports mode. Whether you're running, cycling, walking, or even doing yoga or strength training, when you start to run, the watch shows your pace, heart rate zone, and duration in real time. It's incredibly helpful to see those heart rate zones while you're training, letting you know if you're pushing too hard or if you need to increase your intensity. The Runmefit app keeps all your workout data synced to your phone, and it integrates with Apple Health and Google Fit for easy tracking across devices. Every metric tracked by the Racer 4 like heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, sleep patterns, and respiratory rate, it's automatically synced with the Runmefit app. Once connected, the app offers a clear, organized dashboard where each category is displayed with interactive charts, color codes zones, personal insight, and wellness tips based on your real data, sleep quality reports breaking down your sleep stages and durations, stress and breathing trends with guided breathing suggestions when needed. You can also set goals, receive reminders to move or hydrate, and customize notifications right from the app. The Racer 4 packs a 360 mAh battery, and Runmefit claims between 8 and 15 days of regular use depending on how you use it. Charging is also simple. The magnetic cable snaps to the back easily and tops up in roughly 1.5 to 2 hours. It's convenient, efficient, and ready to go again before your next training session. The watch carries an IP68 rating, which means it's resistant to sweat, dust, and rain. You can safely wear it during workouts, runs in the rain, or while washing your hands, but it's not designed for swimming or diving. So how does it all came together in real life? Well, after several days of use, the Runmefit Racer 4 feels consistent and reliable. The screen is gorgeous for its price, the battery life holds up very well, the comfort is excellent with no sharp edges, no irritations even during long walking or runs. The app experience is straightforward and keeps your data organized. On the downside, there's no mention of built-in GPS. It likely relies on your phone GPS, which means outdoor tracking accuracy will depend on your mobile connection. So, who is the Runmefit Racer 4 for? It's for anyone who wants a stylish, lightweight, and capable smartwatch for fitness tracking without paying flagship prices. If you're a casual or intermediate runner, this watch gives you everything you need. Reliable tracking, long battery life, and a beautiful display. And being so, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more tech and fitness reviews. Also, don't forget about the links from this video description and about the promo code, which can give you a nice discount. And till the next time, all the best.